My cute little wolf going in for the last day for us for the season. Hi, sister. Hi. Oh, she's chilly. Stop number 1. Tacos. This child and her cheese dogs.
Wait.
There it is. It's like what to do when you meet vloggers.
Oh my god.
You stole my kid. Hey, don't let her ears fall off. Oh, okay. It's gonna be a cold ride. But side note, we just saw Mr. Staples. So hi, Mr. Staples, if you watch these. Hi. I was really hoping that one was gonna be open today. Really hoping. Maybe later? Maybe? A cherry test. It's not a picture, it's a video. You don't look like you're having fun. There it is. Yeah. Come on, little wolf. Oh! Sister and I are headed to the cornball. We are gonna meet Doug and Christy. Thank you for stepping into frame. We're gonna meet Doug and Christy from the Fantastic Five and hit a couple coasters with them. We don't wanna like take over their their time at the park, but we definitely wanna spend some time together. So if you have not checked out the Fantastic Five, go check them out. I will link them below. Hi, sister. Yeah, we're locked in. We're locked in. Hi, friends. Eat the sandy. Here lies my brat. Ooh. It was really good. So here's the Tasty Escape. I don't know why I'm telling you where it is because hopefully Tasty Escape is here next year, but hopefully they have a more permanent setup because their food is so good. So make sure that you get yourself a brat next year if you can. This is weird. I don't like end of season. Jenny? What are you supposed to say right now?
Oh, hell yeah.
Dude, they're getting pumped down there. It's the Bippity Boppity Boutique of Indiana Beach.
Are you ready to see your face?
I don't see it. How I see
Do you like it? Do you feel like a wolf?
It's one of the really cool touches the park has done. It's kind of creepy. Happy Halloween! 2 weekends in a row. Okay, so we just did it. Baby! What did you feel like, Jenny?
I felt great.
It's been years since you've done it.
I'm gonna say the last time we were on it, I felt like it actually shot
Caroline.
faster.
Yeah?
Yes.
It's possible. Okay, so we just did the Steel Hog with the Fantastic Five, and now we are in line for the Music Express because of my little wolf. Why do you look sad?
Precious time, get your act together, we could be just fine. I'll tell you what I want, what I really want. So tell me what you want, what you really want.
Whoa! Good job! High stakes, kid, high stakes. Thank you. We're gonna try and trade up from a walrus to a unicorn. Oh, come on! That's okay. Are you still happy with your walrus? Okay.
Look at my beautiful shoes.
Oh.
I'm at this place up.
Okay, I made it through Frankenstein's castle. I think this is the end of our season. I think we are leaving. Okay, so one last frozen banana for the road. Then it's time to go. I love you, Indiana Beach. IB Nation, it has been a fantastic season, and I can't wait to see what next year has in store. Oh, Indiana Beach. I keep saying goodbye to my vlog and I can't because I'm so sad. Look how pretty. Oh, I don't know if I hit record quick enough. Oh, I'm not ready. Let's petition. Let's petition for the park to be open on some basis all year. I don't even need a ride. I just want to come in and walk around. Can we make that happen?